When you give each other feedback, apply like best next time. This is a technology for you to apply right now, okay? All right, before we go to the exercise, let's talk about the positive feedback. For the positive feedback, Dr. Stephen Covey talks about a distinction called emotional deposit. What is it called? Emotional deposit. And emotional deposit, what he talks about is when you want to give positive feedback to someone, okay? Dinah? Okay. So when you give a positive feedback to someone, Dinah, you want to give one positive feedback at a time. That is more powerful than giving 2 or 3 compliments or 2 or 3 positive feedback. So if I say to Dinah, you know, Dinah, you are, you show up on time, you're very professional, and you respond to your emails right away, versus I say, you know what, the way you handled that customer yesterday, you were very patient, you let them vent out, and then you stuck to our policies, that was great. What's the difference between the first and the second? Exactly. What's specific about it that makes it powerful, okay? You want to be specific about your feedback. Saying, oh, good job, that's not a powerful feedback. You want to say, good job, why? You want to be specific about it, okay? So that's 1. 2, you want to give those without expectation. So the more you give these emotional deposit, it's just like a bank account. You go and insert the deposit, and now you have credit. The same thing with people. You give them a compliment, you give them positive feedback, you're inserting emotions right there. It's called an emotional deposit. Now, the more you insert of those, now you have credit with that person. What does that mean? If you do something wrong, you mess up, okay, now you come back to that person and will be they more lenient or harsh with you? Much more lenient, wouldn't they? Okay, that's called emotional deposit, folks, okay? You want to give one at a time and be specific about it. That's it, with positive feedback, okay? All right. So I want you to find the partner that you were working with last, okay? With the numbers that you raise your hand, I want you to find the partner that you work out last and the one that you were completing a relationship with. Find that partner and deliver constructive feedback and then switch, okay? Let's do that 3 minutes each and then switch and give each other feedback. So what did you learn? What's that mean? Okay, is that how it was your experience? Okay, what specifically about that pattern that had you feel that it was a cutthroat?
Because like the adjustment is like, okay, so we're gonna go right from you did wrong to a pip.
Okay, all right, good. And did you do the positive part of it? Yeah, doesn't seem you're very congruent about it. Okay, it's not what you say, it's how you say it, right? So you got to really be focusing on the positive, and you're coming from a place that you're correcting and helping the other person correct the behavior, not the place that you want to punish that person and cut their throat. So it depends on where you're coming from. Your context. Check your context. What's your context? Okay, good. What else? Yes? Okay, that's good. So you found that you'll be able to offer or ask them, how can you help them? Okay, good. Anything else? Like the because?
I really thought it brought it all together.
Sure. Good. Because it's a very powerful word. Okay. Anything else? Yes, Claire?
We used it and felt that it gave us the insight to how to keep the team together, even though somebody had done something at the end with the
AC?
pulling it back together at the end because of the extra piece to give the person a chance to then rejoin the team.
Sure, absolutely. And you got them to be present on, the positive consequences and the negative consequences. Because as a manager, as a leader, it's important for, the followers to know that, okay, there will be some consequences if this job is not being done. Okay? All right, good.